guys, welcome back to the channel. What is up? So, the clips that you just seen there now are from way early this morning. The kids were getting ready for school. So the kids are ready and fed and away off to school now. Manny is taking them. Molly is going to her childminders. And today me and Manny are going down to Donnelly and Tiger Company down in Maydown to look at a car that I fancy. Nothing's 100% set in stone. I still need to test drive the car and see if it's 100% for me. I did have a Peugeot 2008. There was so many things going on with the car and it just really put me off it. So I asked the director in the dealership, will he do me a swap, because I was just really put off the Peugeot, and I realised then it just wasn't working for me. Everything was going wrong with it, and it wasn't my fault or their fault, it was just one of those things. So hopefully now I like the Astra today. Feels like forever since I actually woke up and started a vlog, so it does. We never had any time when we were moving. And then when I started the job, I was just completely exhausted. I'm not working again now until Saturday, Sunday and Monday. So don't expect a vlog on them days that I'm working, because it's impossible. I do 12-hour shifts. So I'll try my best to do it when I'm off. But that's where we're going today, down to Donnelly. So I need to get up now and get ready. Manny got a new car not too long ago as well. He got a Ford Focus. I think it's 2018 or 2017, I'm not too sure. The Astra that I'm looking at today is 2018. It's new enough, like. Let's just hope everything is good with it. They normally do like a full service and all anyway before they sell you the car. So I'm not too worried about that. It was just the Peugeot, the coils went in it and everything. But that's obviously not their fault. It's just one of them things just happened. But I was just so put off the car. You know, like, don't get me wrong, it is a nice car, but I just was so sickened by it, if you know what I mean. I was so sickened by it. I wasn't like happy to be driving it. It's not the way you're meant to feel when you get a new car. I just knew it wasn't right for me. So hopefully with this car now everything goes right, because I do like it now. But I'm gonna stop rambling now and go up and get ready. So I'll see you later. Let's go look at some cars. Right, we're here at Donnelly and Taggart's now. I think the car's actually behind us. I'm not 100%, but we're just waiting on the director to come out now and help us. I think Manny's going to test drive it for me. I'd be too nervous, so I'm just going to let him test drive it. Make sure it's driving smoothly. I'll show you it if I do pick it. So guys, I think I am gonna take the car today. I really like it. I'm hoping that I can take it today, drive her home. I like everything about it. Really, really smooth drive as well. What do you think, Manny?
It's good.
It's good. Right, so we are just out of Donnelly and Taggart's and I'm gonna get the car. I think I'm getting it later on this afternoon. All the paperwork just needs to be swapped over, so it shouldn't be too much of a handling. I'm excited to get it. We're just outside Argos here now. We got Luke, his birthday present. His birthday's coming up now, so we just thought we'd grab it while we're out and about. But yeah, I'm getting the car today. It'll be so weird driving it home. It's a completely different drive from the other car now. Very smooth, and I wasn't scared to test drive it because the man didn't come on the car with us. It was just me and Manny, so I wasn't nervous, so I just drove it myself. And I'm glad I did because I got a really good feel of how it drives and it's very smooth. Got some Mickey D's fries, black coffees. Yum yum. We're going up now to get the car. We dropped Luke's present off and we went to the Asian store. We got banana chips and soya chunks. Manny got some Malta drinks and guava juice. Something else, I can't remember, but we're heading back down to Donnelly's now and I'm going to drive my car home. So, I'll see you soon. So we're back home. I drove the car and it was class. The car's so zippy and fast. And it tells you on the dash when you exceed like a speed limit, which is good, so that'll be dead handy. And Molly is very grumpy today, aren't you? She's teething, so she's getting all her molars now at once. One's cut and she has another two like bulging through, so she is not a happy girl. We've got Chinese on the way too for handiness. I'm so starving, so I can't wait to eat. And if you remember, I says that we were in the Asian store. Here's what we got. Guava juice, soya chunks, and banana chips. And Manny got this juice called Malta. Gonna smike it, but it's a non-alcoholic drink. You can get them where he's from. So you can, so he enjoyed one today. Wanna say hi? Mirror over.
Hi, guys.
How was school?
Good.
Did you learn your keywords?
Yeah.
What's your keywords?
Stand of my dad.
Wow. So she's learning all words now. As you can see, I can't put Molly anywhere near the ground or she starts cracking up. Hopefully she'll calm down when we get food. So that is that. The car's class, to say. I'm super happy with.
What are you talking about? They're here! The Adams family!
Baby. That's me done my Chinese now. It was really, really nice. I'm stuffed. I'm gonna go lie down in bed now. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!